ATbar is an open source cross-browser toolbar that can be used to increase the accessibility of any web browser. So this can actually be downloaded for various browsers, or there's also a trial edition. So I'm going to show you the Try ATbar that's embedded right into their website, atbar.org. So up here you'll see the toolbar for various tools that you can use. So the heart is to create a fix. So if you see a portion of a website that you're on that's inaccessible, you can click on the heart. It'll actually prompt folks to make corrections to that. There's an increase in decreasing the size of the screen, of the font and the margins. So I can show you what that looks like here. If I hit the plus bar, you'll see that the font is increasing in size. So this is helpful for folks that have low vision, or even just to reduce the stress on the visual system if you're spending a lot of time in front of a screen. The T is for the text, so you're actually able to change the font type of the website. So you may want to use something more accessible, such as Helvetica. And then when we apply that, you'll see here that the font has actually changed. You can also change the line spacing. So I'll go to 200% so you can see a dramatic change here. So it spaces out the font again to increase readability. So you simply just put in the font type that you would like and the line spacing that you'd like and hit apply. Then hit the X to return out of this. Let's say we've made some applications that we really don't like. We can use the reset arrow key to restore the web page to its original. There's also a spell check built in, so if you're typing on the web page, it'll point out any spelling errors. So here you can see that spelling is highlighted because it's spelled incorrectly. There's also a dictionary, so if you're uncertain of the meaning of a word, so we'll click on the word page here in the dictionary, and here we can see the definition of the word page. The text-to-speech feature is really nice, so you highlight the text that you'd like to have read to you, and then click whether you'd like a male or female voice, and it takes just a second to load. Usually not that long. Here we go.
Want to give ATbar a spin before installing?
Then you can find a voice that you like with different genders and different dialects.
Want to give ATbar a spin before installing?
So you can find the one that works best for you. Here we have a word prediction. So if you're typing, it'll actually start to predict the words for you to save some time and energy with typing. We can change the color of the toolbar and the links. So here we can choose what background color we would like. We can also change the color for text and link colors. So right now the text color is black and the link colors are this light blue, or I'm sorry, a darker blue. If we want the links to jump out at us, we might want to change them to red. So here now you can see that this download page link has turned to red. And then lastly, there's options for color overlays. And this helps when there's a lot of fatigue happening from spending a lot of time on the screen. There's research out about the different colors and how they can impact the visual system or even attention while people are using screens or reading even off of paper. You can use the colored overlays. So again, ATbar can be downloaded and added onto any browser, and obviously there's a lot of really nice accessibility features that are built in. The intention here is that it would eliminate you from having to use several different applications or systems at once, and everything is just built in onto one nice toolbar that's completely free. It's also a great way for folks to try things, maybe before they buy a more sophisticated screen reader or Zoom function or something like that.